Hello everybody, warm welcome to ES Solutions UK, and today we do video 18, which is the long sound vowel U. It's a little bit more complicated than some of the other vowels because it makes more than one sound. So we'll dive into this straight away and we'll do the different sounds as we go with some examples. So the first one is some words that start with the letter U actually form the sound U, as in unicorn, unite, use, usual. There are many that start with the short sound of but I've just given you 4 examples of the sound U when U is the starting letter. The layout of letter U, letter E makes 2 different sounds. The first sound is U. If you had to write it, perhaps you might use the letter Y, the letters Y, O, O. The sound is U. Some examples: cube, tube, cute, mute. But this same layout can also give the sound of oo, if you will, O and O together, making the sound oo. As in brute, flute, jute, June. So I hope you can hear the difference there. One is the sound U, one is the sound oo. This oo sound continues when you see a layout of letters, typically U followed by E. Some examples: blue, glue, true. This oo sounds, it really comes because it's sometimes difficult to make the sound U in the word when it's following some consonants. Let me try for you. So we say blue, but you imagine trying to say blue, or glue, or trew. I find it difficult to say, so over time it's just softened into this oo sound. Hope that makes some sort of sense. However, the U sound can also come when U and E come together at the end of a word, as in argue, rescue, value, venue. So you can see there's some overlap here. You have to learn these variants over time. The letters E, W, as in curfew, you, few, nephew, and pewter. The letters E and U make the U sound in only a few words, such as eucalyptus and feud. So you can see that UE layouts and EW layouts pretty much make the same sound. The letters O and O come together to make the sound oo, as in balloon, food, moon, and soon. O and U create the same sound, as in group, soup, wound. And finally, U and I come together to make the oo sound, as in bruise, cruise, fruit. So lots of different sounds come in there together. So let's look at some sentences to practice. Okay, how about this? The unicorn has 1 horn. A dice is also a cube. The cat is cute. I can play the flute, but not the lute. The sky is blue today. I had to rescue the puppy from the pond. My nephew is very clever. She has a blue balloon. You are my best friend. I eat fruit every day. This concludes video 18, and indeed it concludes all of the long vowel sounds. So thank you and goodbye.